Students are busy trying to accept what they know about their culture. Here, Kisii University is a university that has many ethnic groups, and many a time these ethnic groups, they don't know what is happening in other groups in terms of culture. So we have been having this event every year. It's an annual event, so that people like the young Turks, people who are born in towns, people who are not gotten exposure on different cultures can learn more about maybe the dressing code, the eating, the way people eat, and the way people live, and it is a way of our students identifying themselves to a particular region. That is where they are coming from. It's a form of identity.
Youths who don't know more about culture, when we talk about culture, this is the most important thing that you should know, because we don't want to lose our culture. Most of us have lost our culture because we don't know what we're supposed to do. But I want to urge the all youths that you should understand what your culture means, and you should at all times take position to stand up with your culture, because it's very important and it's very essential for someone to know the culture.
For our Gusii students, particularly in our university here, they are forgetting their culture and they are going for another tribe's culture. This is simply because in our university here, previously we were not having some of the implements that were used to show that the culture for Gusii is maintained. For example, me as the president, I went so far to look the grandmothers who had these items for the crushing, like Urugina, like Inangeni, that our normal women, they do not have. And that was a bit a challenge to our students who are also learning this. And to the university, they were having the challenge of having this implement imparted in the office of Gusii.
We have to appreciate our different culture. They are not the same, but they have a very important meaning in our lives. They can influence us in a positive way, though some people may see it as something negative, but it's not negative as such. These days we have erosive agents. Our culture is not as pure as it used to be. It has been influenced by technology and other forms of erosive agents, which is not good for us. People tend to think that Western culture is more superior to our culture here. Let me tell you, it is not. We have to appreciate where we are coming from, appreciate where we are and where we are going. It's very important, and that's why Kisii University is having this cultural week, whose theme is youth as agents of cultural heritage, innovative career goals, green and peace initiatives.
hii cultural way inatusaidia in terms of diversity. We can also see how the other communities are doing their things. We can borrow some culture from them, because also we are presenting some diversity songs. So cultural week inatusaidia pia kudiverse na kuona how the other communities are doing their culture, then inatusaidia pia ku interact.
I'm happy we have received so many people, so many groups showcasing their culture, and we appreciate it.
According to now in the Ma community, women are not being diminished, girls are being educated, and we have now the value of women in our society. And we still say that we are not going to let the men dehumanize our rights, and we are going to embrace our culture to the end, and we say Ma.
So we are doing heritage. We are seeing the field is basically extending knowledge from one ethnic group